1966 Pontiac GTO is finally finished. We got this thing down the bare metal. The paint was a little tough on it, had some clear coat and stuff, but we got underneath it, took care of everything. This thing is in fantastic shape. There wasn't a lot of rust. We don't get a lot of GTOs in here, but out of the ones we have had, I think this is in the best condition. It really doesn't look like a lot of work was done on this thing. Everything's pretty straight and the floor is solid. There are a few rust holes, but we're gonna have a quick look at it real quick and I'll show you what we're working with. So up front at the firewall, it's almost perfect. There's no real pitting or anything. It's in real solid shape. We do have some rot coming through here along the dash. Other than that, really nothing going on. Some pitting around the windshield, as you can see. Not too thick though. This floor is amazing. There is some rust holes coming through there and on the opposing side, but other than that, it's in fantastic shape. Oh, we got some rot coming through there too, a few pinholes. The quarters are immaculate. There's no dents or anything. Look real solid. Come to the trunk area. We got some pinholes coming through here, some rot. Still pretty solid though. In the back, you could see there was some Bondo here and it rotted out a little bit. Come to the passenger quarter. Pretty much perfect. Have a look from this side. You can see the rot isn't nearly as bad on this side, but this thing is mighty clean. I'm glad we could help them out. This was a pretty easy car to dip. Since we weren't dealing with a whole bunch of rust, the clear coat, like I said, did give us a little bit of a problem. It was nice getting a GTO in here. This will be my first video on a GTO, which is pretty sweet. We've been getting a lot of like Chevelles and stuff like that, and there's nothing wrong with that, but it's a nice change of pace. But I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you, and I appreciate you all tuning in and watching. Thank you very much. We broke 300,000 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. I never thought that would happen, and I have all of you to thank for that. Thank you so much, and I will see you at the next car.